Hello friends, welcome back in my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you the steps how to install and configure additional domain controller in Windows Server 2025 machine. Now friends, before the installation of ADC, first of all, I have to discuss about the ADC. Now, it's used to provide the fault tolerance of primary domain controller. ADC has no FSOM roles. ADC work as a read-only copy. In case of primary DC domain controller will get failed, then we can use ADC as a primary domain controller after transfer the 5 FSOM roles. Now friends, first of all you have to check the host name of the ADC machine. Just type Windows E button. You will see the this PC. Just right click, go to the properties. Now friend, you can see device name is ADC1, means your ADC server name is ADC1, and you can see the edition Windows Server 2025 standard editions. Now friends, before installation of ADC, first of all you have to assign the static IP address. You have to type ncpa.cpl in run command. You will see the LAN card icon. Just right click, select your LAN card. You can see there is one LAN card installed in my server machine. Just select the LAN, go to the properties. Now friends, you have to select TCP IPv4 internet protocol version. Go to the properties. Now friend, you can see there is no any static IP address assigned in this machine. You need to assign the static IP address. Just click on use the following IP address. Now friend, you have to type the IP address. I'm going to type class A IP address 50.0.0.20. It is a ADC server machine IP address, and default subnet mark is 255.0.0.0, and our preferred DNS server IP is a main DC IP address which has 50.0.0.10. Now friends, after assign the IP address, you have to check the IP address connectivity with your server. Type ping space target machine IP address. Our target machine IP address is 50.0.0.10. Friends, it is a primary domain control IP address and is connected well. And go to the DC machine and type cmd command. You have to see the command prompt option. Type ping space ADC server IP address. Our ADC server IP address is 50.0.0.20. Now friend, you can see there is no any connectivity. Is error. It's showing error. Request timeout, means your firewall is turned on in ADC server machine. You need to turn off the Windows firewall. Just open the run command and type firewall.cpl. You can see the turn Windows Defender option. You have to turn off Windows Defender in private settings and public network settings. Turn off Windows Defender. Just click on OK. Now friend, Defender is off successfully in ADC machine. Now go to that server machine again and type the target machine IP address. Ping space target machine IP 50.0.0.20. Now friends, is connected well because your server is connected with each other, DC to ping ADC and ADC ping to DC. Now friends, first step is completed. Now friends, open the server manager dashboard option. In under the dashboard, you have to just click on add-ons and features. After click add-on feature, you have to see the first options. Before you begin, just click on next. Now in installation type, you have to select all base or feature based installation. It is a by default. Just click on next. Now friend, in server selection, you will see the host name, your IP address, your server edition. If everything is okay, just click on next. Now friend, in server roles, you have to select ADDS and click on add features. Now friend, you have to also check mark DNS server and click on add features and just click on next. Now friends, in features we don't have to requirement anything, just click on next. In ADDS just click on next. In DNS server just click on next. Now it is a confirmation wizard. You can review the summary. If everything is okay, just click on install. Now friend, installation has been started and Active Domain Services installation is started. It will take few minutes for install this complete task. You have to wait. Now friend, installation has been done. Just click on close button. Now friend, you have to see the ADDS role. Just click on ADDS in under the dashboard. You will see the more options. Just click on more. Now friend, action panel, you have to click promote this server to a domain controller. You have to single click. Now friends, you have to select deployment operations. It is a by default selected first option, add a domain controller to existing domain. It is a by default selected. You have to select this and you have to type your domain name. And friend, just click on select. Now friend, you have to type credential of for deployment operations. You have to type administrator account and your domain name. Our administrator account name is administrator at the testvm.local. It is a primary domain controller name and password you have to type. You have selected domain, or after fill the credential, just click on next. Now friends, it is a deployment controller options. It is a domain name, domain naming systems already selected, in global catalog already selected. You have to select the site name. The first and default site name is first site name. Now friend, you have to type your DSRM password and confirm the password in this server. Just click on next. Now friend, in DNS option, just click on next. In additional options, you have to select your primary domain name, fully qualified domain name. It's replicate ADC to direct DC machine. And if you see the fully qualified domain name, go to the DC machine, just right click on this PC, go to the properties. Now friend, just click on advanced system settings and go to the computer name. Now friend, you can see the fully qualified domain name win-srv2025 dot testvm.local. Just click on next. Now friend, is a path where Active database will be stored, and if you don't want to change anything, just click on next button. And we don't require to change the path, just click on next. Now friend, you can review the all the summary. If everything is okay, just click on next. Now friend, it's a prerequisites check. If everything is okay, it will pass out all the things. Now friends, all the prerequisites checks pass successfully. Click install to begin the installations. Just click on install button. Now friends, ADC installation has been started and it will take few minutes for install this task. Now friends, after install ADC, just your server will get reboot automatically. So you should wait for few minutes. Now friend, ADC has been installation done. Just click on close button. Now close all the task. Your server will get reboot automatically. Close the server manager dashboard. Now friend, you can see the login screen. Just press Ctrl or Delete button to unlock the screen. You can see your domain name / your administrator account. You have to type the password to log in the screen. Now friends, after install ADC, just go to the tools option and you have to open activity user and computers option and expand your domain name. Now friend, you can see existing OU which has created an activity domain computers. All the two users are appear and user folders. One user account is already created and it's replicate to ADC server already. And friend, if you want to create another user for testing purpose, just right click, go to the new, select user and type your username and type your logon name and type your password. Just click on next and finish. Now friend, you have to create this user account in ADC server. Go to the DC machine and check that user is replicated to DC machine or not. Now friend, you can see user 1 is already showing in DC machine which has created in ADC machine. Means both server are replicated with each other, means your ADC is working properly. So friends, I hope you will understand the entire concept which I shared to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.